All right, so it's been about not quite 2 months, I think 7 weeks since we stopped doing our live shows. And I keep getting people asking, when are you moving? When are you moving? Did you find a house? Did you find a house? So here's the scoop on moving and finding a house. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook, where you can eat better, spend less. We have our new hardcover with gorgeous pictures to help you eat better, spend less, and save on your grocery bill today. Visit us at livingonadime.com to get your copy. As you know, we had books delivered last week. So we did not reach our goal to move before the books got here. Now, we, at the moment, are pretty frustrated. I'm pretty frustrated, I'll say. I really was hoping and thinking we would move. Sorry, I'm not crying. Well, I should cry, but I'm not. But we are having really bad smoke here in Colorado. It's the wildfires here. Let me show you. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's see. Can you see that? There is mountains back there that you cannot see because it's all smoke. Yep, beautiful mountains, but you can't see it. So the wildfires are really making me sick, really making my eyes water. So anyway, we have been fervently searching since March. We've actually been looking for 4 years, coming September. But really hitting it hard since March. And we cannot find anything. So the problem we're having is we are looking for land. We are looking for an outbuilding to put the books, the business, a studio and or office. We would also like to have enough space to have a house for Mom, possibly. Or find a place cheap enough that we could just buy the other half of Mom's house for her if she needs to. So having that here in Colorado is just almost impossible. We're looking for an acre or more, preferably 5 or more, but it's just super hard to find anything here because I found out just the other day the area that we're looking in is the #1 top real estate spot in the country at the moment. Big surprise. So now, yeah, everybody and their dogs moving here because people are getting out of the city, so to speak, and so it's a little bit frustrating. So at the moment, we are not going anywhere. We are staying at our house. We are still looking. We would really like to stay 100% debt-free. Okay, I have to say I'm sitting in the hospital parking lot. Nothing's wrong, but I see this poor pregnant woman. She looks like she's about to drop at any minute now, and I'm wondering if she went in for false labor and she's going home now. Poor thing. So anyway, we really want to stay debt-free. And the area that we're looking at and the type of property we're looking at, we might have to get another mortgage, and we really don't want to do that also. So at the moment, we're staying put, we're waiting. They are hinting that next March, the houses that are the price range that we're looking at might be dropping because of foreclosure, that type of thing. So that could be a good thing. Maybe we could get something cheaper in January or March. But that's where we stand right now. We're staying put and not going anywhere. Just keep on selling books, saving up more cash so that we can hopefully get something and pay cash for it all. And that's where we're at the moment. So please visit us at livingonadime.com if you need ideas for moving. We have a ton of ideas for moving because I've done a lot of it. Yeah, a lot. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.